Hi, this is Jake Stoll with Five Guys Roofing. I'm the sales manager of our commercial roofing division. I wanted to talk to you about a recent project that we completed. This is a current built-up roofing system that we've been repairing and maintaining over the last couple of years. The roof has experienced leaks in many different areas, and the roof needed to be restored and seal coated. That process is done by a cleaning and a power washing of the existing roof system. Once that's complete, we go through and seal around all roof penetrations, skylights, AC curbs, roof drains, and other locations. Once that's complete, we'll take and put a base layer of elastomeric coating down by spray applying it and back rolling every part of it for even coverage. Once that's complete, we're embedding a high-tech full fabric membrane in the base coating. Once that's complete, we'll take and put a layer of top coat elastomeric coating. This leaves you with a true monolithic roof system. There are many benefits to a roof seal coat restoration, including cooling the temperature of the roof deck. This is a light elastomeric coating that holds up against the sun and helps reflect the sun during high temperatures. This will also cool the temperature of the roof deck and allow that energy savings on the inside. Call Five Guys Roofing for all your flat commercial roofing needs.